Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, then once again, and after your device turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So after the screen turns on you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Small letters here saying recovery mode, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. So when you're in recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but you can also select just with like touch screen. So here you have such options as wipe data, reboot or power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.